Today we are checking out the Sopito French fry cutter, and this is going to be its maiden voyage here. Haven't tried it yet. Easy to assemble. There was just this piece, 2 bolts, and then this sort of just screwed on easily. And I think it screws off to make it easier to store. So here we go. We'll put the potato in there. And just push. Oh, well, that was pretty easy. Perfect fries. Cool. All right, let's try a smaller potato now. Oh, you can really just bang out the fries here. Just like that. Let's fry them up. Now we're going to strain them. Alright, now we're going to do a first fry, a flash fry at about 325. I'm going to lower the temp here, and then we're going to drop some fries. We're also going to add some cornstarch and kind of toss them in it before frying. To avoid splattering, I'm just going to use this sort of little utensil. Alright, about 2 minutes in, I'm going to pull them out. Leave them here to drain the oil. Alright, so here's a pile of the first fries. Now we're going to put them back in the oil at 375. There we have it. Crispy, golden brown fries.